Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best auto air freshener is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to keep your bathroom smelling fresh and clean, eliminating odors and creating a welcoming atmosphere without any manual effort. In this video, we will explore the top-rated automatic air fresheners available on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Wick Automatic Spray. Experience the comforting scent of fresh laundry in your home. This automatic air freshener will fill your space with continuous freshness. It's equipped with 24/7 odor protect technology, fighting odors around the clock to keep your home smelling its best, all day and night. Each refill provides up to 70 days of continuous fragrance on the low setting. Enjoy long-lasting freshness without constantly refilling. It offers adjustable spray settings, 9, 18, or 40 minutes, so you can customize the fragrance level to your preference. Use it in any room of your house, living room, bathroom, kitchen, or office, to enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling environment. Replacing the refill is simple. Just swap it out when you see the red flashing light. It's quick and easy to maintain. What we like? If you love the smell of fresh laundry and want continuous fragrance, this is for you. Its 24/7 odor protect technology ensures your home always smells amazing, lasting up to 70 days on a single refill. Choose this if you're seeking a consistently fresh-smelling space. What people say. The design is perfect. It makes the air smell fresh. The automatic spray feature is fantastic. It releases a perfectly timed burst of fragrance that keeps the space smelling great without being overpowering. I love that you can adjust the frequency of the sprays to fit the size of the room or your personal preference. Plus, the use of essential oils gives the scent a natural, long-lasting quality. What's really convenient is the sleek design of the gadget. It fits seamlessly into any room without standing out, and it's very easy to refill when needed. Number 4. Wick Automatic Spray. It's the easiest way to keep your home smelling fresh. This starter kit includes everything you need to get started. Experience the joy of summer with its playful blend of white florals, melon, and vanilla. It's a fragrance that will lift your spirits. It continuously fights odors, ensuring your home always smells its best. Enjoy fresh fragrance around the clock. Each refill provides up to 70 days of continuous fragrance on the low setting. You'll enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling home. It offers multiple spray settings, 9, 18, or 40 minutes, to achieve your desired fragrance level. You're in control. Simply replace the refill when you see a red flashing light. It's quick and easy to maintain. Use it in any room of your house, living room, bathroom, kitchen, or office, to enjoy a consistently fresh scent. What we like? If you want to bring the joy of summer indoors, this option is perfect. It offers the same long-lasting fragrance and odor-eliminating technology as the previous one, but with a delightful summery scent. This is ideal for those who want a playful and refreshing atmosphere. Number 3. Glade Automatic Spray Kit. Transform your home with the Glade Automatic Spray. It provides a refreshing burst of fragrance at your preferred intervals. Enjoy a fresh scent every 9, 18, or 36 minutes. It's completely up to you how often you want to experience the fragrance. It features a captivating clean linen scent, a blend of crisp air, fresh laundry, and lily of the valley. It's designed to create a welcoming atmosphere. This fragrance is expertly crafted by master perfumers infused with essential oils for a truly luxurious experience. Simply set it and forget it. This battery-operated air freshener will keep your space smelling amazing with minimal effort. Use it in your bathroom, living room, or any space that needs a refreshing boost. It's perfect for any room in your home. What we like? If you appreciate a clean and crisp scent, this air freshener is a great choice. It offers a timed fragrance release, allowing you to customize the intensity. The use of essential oils provides a more natural and refined fragrance experience. Consider this if you prefer a customizable and naturally scented home. What people say. Works well. I love that you can adjust the time you want it to spray. Lasts a long time each canister. Easy to set up. Smells amazing. Perfect for outside a bathroom, pet area, basement, or utility room. Works great and the scent is very pleasant, a little overwhelming on the short cycle of 9 minutes but on the long cycle of 36 minutes is perfect and the scent is linen. Number 2. Glade Automatic Spray. Transform your home with the Glade Automatic Spray. It delivers a burst of freshness, perfectly timed to suit your preferences. Enjoy a refreshing spritz every 9, 18, or 36 minutes. It's completely up to you how often you want to experience the fragrance. Escape to paradise with the Hawaiian breeze scent. It features notes of ripe pineapple, melon, and peach nectar for a truly tropical experience. This fragrance is expertly crafted by master perfumers and infused with essential oils for a premium scent experience. Simply set it and forget it. This battery-operated air freshener will keep your home smelling amazing with minimal effort. It's perfect for any room in your house, from the bathroom to the living room. Enjoy consistent freshness throughout your space. What we like. If you prefer a relaxing tropical escape at home, this is the one for you. It provides the same timed release and essential oil benefits as the previous option but with a vibrant tropical fragrance. Choose this if you want to create a calming and exotic atmosphere. What people say. Works well. I love that you can adjust the time you want it to spray. Lasts a long time each canister. Easy to set up. Smells amazing. Perfect for outside a bathroom, pet area, basement, or utility room. Works great and the scent is very pleasant, a little overwhelming on the short cycle of 9 minutes but on the long cycle of 36 minutes is perfect and the scent is linen. Number 1. AromaPlan's Smart Scent Machine. It has an incredible coverage area of 1,500 to 2,000 square feet. Transform your home, office, or hotel into a luxurious spa-like environment. With unique NT10X technology, it converts liquid perfume into dry vaporous microparticles, evenly scenting any space quickly. Control it all from the AromaPlan app on your smartphone. Set schedules, adjust intensity, and personalize your fragrance experience. It's completely mess-free and whisper-quiet, unlike other diffusers. Enjoy a relaxing atmosphere without the hassle of cleaning. It's safe for pets and children. The scents are free of solvents and petroleum-derived materials, using only pure essential oils. AromaPlan is dedicated to creating high-quality aroma experiences. We use advanced technology to deliver powerful, memorable scents. What we like. For large spaces needing consistent, high-quality scenting, this is your best bet. Its smart app control and wide coverage make it perfect for homes, offices, or businesses. Choose this if you want a mess-free, technologically advanced solution for a large area. What people say. The device itself is just as impressive, sleek, modern, and very easy to use. It operates quietly, distributes the fragrance evenly, and begins working within seconds of being turned on. I especially appreciate the programmable settings that allow me to control the intensity and schedule the diffusion times according to my preferences. Setup was quick and intuitive. The Bluetooth app control is a game changer. It allowed me to adjust intensity, set schedules, and even turn the diffuser on and off from my phone. I love the flexibility to control scent levels by room size or time of day, especially when guests are coming over or I'm winding down in the evening. What really sets this apart is how powerful yet whisper-quiet it is. Despite its compact, sleek design, it effortlessly fills multiple rooms with fragrance in minutes. The fact that it's waterless also means no mess, no mold concerns, and pure scent delivery from high-quality oils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.